Na 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 na. Param 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 param. Whoa! Wow! So many animals. Cobra, snake, horse. Wow! Hippopotamus and camel. So guys, here we have a basket. I will collect all these animals into this basket. Let's start collecting. Wow! Tiger. Whoa! And wow! Tortoise. And the next one is whoa, wow! This is a beautiful white colored duck. And wow! Cow. This is a farm animal, guys. And here we have whoa! This is a frog, green frog. And the next one is wow, hippopotamus, beautiful hippopotamus, guys. And wow, green chameleon. This is a type of lizard, guys. And the next one is wow, crocodile, very dangerous sea animal, crocodile. And wow, white rabbit. And the next one is wow, cobra snake, big size cobra snake, very dangerous, very venomous. And the next one is wow, horse. This is a grey color horse, guys. This is a farm animal. And wow, camel. This is a desert animal, very beautiful animal, guys, with amazing color. And the next one is wow, lion. This is a king of the jungle, very dangerous lion, guys. So many animals in basket. And wow, this is a sea animal, lobster. Wow, beautiful sea animal, guys, lobster. And the last one is whoa, wow, elephant, wild animal.